lo representer sponsor Sani make qinisile Maphanga Kunene regional kuthiwa regional commissioner regional commissioner commander nema senior staff I can see letitala pungethuka ukuthi commissioner vele uthumele abantu labakhulu. I'm really impressed, I'm touched really kwekuthi laba sivikele bangaze bathumele abantu labakhulu kangaka. Ithina nje besithi singihoho but i-security ke vele imgcoka akusho ukuthi ingakanani imgcoka. Sivusele ema-clubs lakhona lana competitions committee nema-media houses, all platforms observed. CEO Regional Football Association kusho nje ukuthi emkhuzweni ngalesondvo kuphekwe ngagalaza kahoho kamshali bonjinkunzi siphekeleke bakasani bakasani ngibona laba sichasako ku Apex yema leagues ethu, that is the World Super League. Bakasani ke suka khashane nabo solo nje ba sponsorisha and kwethu siyajabula nje ukuthi ba partnerishe nathi, and I'm sure ukuthi they are seeing ama objectives abo, they are being met. And njengoba sashito make kunene la ema teams sivabonge kwenda a good job lokho ukuthi we advertise, we become ambassadors of Sunny products. Ushito ke mana nene ukuthi kuna two products, kuna Sunny na Sun angathi ke lamanye but nje akahluki ona yabonakala nje ema products akhona, and people they've accustomed themselves kiwo. And ngidawuthi asiqhubekeni bekunene singamemi ke hoho kuphela ema football partners ethu nelive nje lonke nakhona inkampani letinde la kaNgwane isupport abantu abeni Flowerback kini asikwende kube ngumkhuba wethu thina eMaswati kwekuthi si supported that company kuze kuthi iqhubeke isite abantu abeni, because kongelele sikwendako it's part of national building. Mama, when we do football we are developing talent, we are uniting bantu, and njengoba ashito ngale babefaka ukuthi ibhola ngumdlalo asingabongi budlangdlwangu lapho kufuna satane khona smithane khona and isakhe bungani nale constitution isho kanjalo. Siyabonga ke siwabongele ama teams lawa lasafike kule stage lesi sesodlala umdlalo wekugcina lapho sitawukhokha khona i-champion yaho shothi lesinqobe sonke lesifisela kinhlanhla ukuthi ingene kumula National First Division seyiyaka Premier League ngekudlala kwawo. Into lenhle le siwabonga kakhulu nje ama directors ema teams kwekuthi adlalile up to this far. It's not easy with the challenging economy. Bo petrol bayenyuka, bo fuel bayenyuka, kuyisa badlali ema groundini. It's becoming costly. We are quite aware of that, but you persevered and naqhubeka naba letha badlali ema groundini. Kude nje umdlalo lekuthiwe i-team irolele la ka Super League vele sesibangale nabo Premiership eNgilandi nekwendeka kungako nje sitobonga kakhulu umsakato wesive ne Eswatini TV labathitela umdlalo bafuna kusakata bukhoma. Kuyaqala ke kwendeka tinto letinjena nditicala ngakasani la kaho uthi lo mdlalo ube bukhoma. Ngiyabona na ka YouTube utaba khona master whichever namungekho mhlambe eceleni kwe TV uyakhona kumahlale ekhukhwini kuyibukela le game live. Kuyas encourage angisho nje ukuthi umsakato wesive ne Eswatini TV kuyas-encourage kwananathi lokho ukuthi nasenda something and nibuye ningabuki lokuthi sibancane kangakanani nitinde nathi thine lunvu and nitshele sive ukuthi kwente kanjani sikuthabela kakhulu lokho ngicabanga ukuthi nalabadlali bativa nabo ba marketed kubukelwa ku TV nje I can imagine le lakahoho nje ukuthi batoba ngakanani banu labafuna ukuthi bona umntwana akadlala ku TV it's encouraging and kuyasita naloko ukuthi sibatfole labantwana bete labholeni ngifuna kumbona ku TV umsa wami that is very good and nama babite emsakatweni babite umntwana wakho kuya encourage nangomdala and nekuthi misela ke kuba letulu I think ema teams ayakuconza ke ukuthi le game I live kukhona ke tinto letimcoka kufika ngesikhathi nekugcoka kahle ngithi angikusho la niyambona mschairman wenu vele uhlala agcoke kahle so nani ke ma team futani yena uhlonipha mbambamba hlonipha sive lokugcoka kahle kwena kahle tini hlonipha sini ukukuniketa sithundi nje kwananawo so asifuni nje lapha bese sekuba nento lengamelanga ukuthi broadcasted so please siyacela nje ma teams nisirepresente kahle konke lokho maybe umuntu osayanga segcinene kubonga nje kakhulu ku commissioner kusupporta nabakithi mama masibonga hulumende wembube nje in general because tonke naleti ngapane tasisaketela tiphansa hulumende sibonga nje hulumende wembube the way lati committee ngayo kuma sports kwekuthi ma sports kangwane they've been identified lokuthi it is one way especially football it's one way which unites le live and funa silethe kuthula ngako sihlale sihloniphana ngayo le ball nabadliwa nje kusasa ngigadze ukuthi lalabanye batokhawula lalabanye ukuthi khamadoda nisihlulele and nibakhelela hange ukuthi ma champions angithi siyathi culture yakawo sibakhelela hange ukuthi ma champions sibabongele lenhlanhla ke batoyishiya la kini nenibone musi nakushada amakoti ukuthi mina sengiyahamba ekhaya uyebese ujika lokho angathi uthi kuthiwa yini makini jikele ukuthi lokuwela kuye nguye lo satoshada so ngicabanga ukuthi kutabangiloko nje kakhulu sibonge ke vele tinsatheli ku onke ama platforms kwekuthi nisicoverishele le tournament le niyasita ke so that thina sisiqinisile nafika kubaphathi athi lento seyinkulu kakhulu isupport uyabonela nawo uyabona ngiyabona ukuthi abaphathela nami ukuthi bomaqhuzu la keti nje malama enviyasani seyinkulu umsakato uphumile ne TV iphumile iyosakata umdlalo akasana that's how serious government how much is supporting you akasa supporting nathi thine wo supporta nje ingapane akasana